Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we are going to open up the third release of the Premier Club for Brer. This is a Bandalero. Bandalero came in this external shipping box. And inside we have another box. This is the other box, third in the series for 2024. Looking forward to 2025. I think they have a mule. I think mules are cool. All right, so now we've got that box. You see, here's the back side, and this is the whole story. The sketch, the clay mold. And this is an Argentina Crio horse. All right. Like all premieres, they come with this beautiful bag. Keep them safe. And this is the certificate of authenticity. I want to keep that for shows. And then find the right two ends to pull. You can undo the bag. Come on. Now you can get this in either matte or glossy, and I picked matte. This is a bonus, I think. All right. And with tape. Tape, right? Come on, tape. More tape. More tape. More tape. So I'll keep the bubble wrap. I just don't. The tape just really just gets stickier over time, so I try to take the tape off. All right, we're getting there. We're getting ready. Are we ready? He is very long. I have 12-inch shelves. Most horses will fit on a 12-inch shelf. Where? We'll check and see about this guy. Damn tape. Sorry, didn't mean to swear. Now, this is already gorgeous. Look at that. Now that's a pretty horse. Look at that. Room for a brow band and pretty eyes. Can you see the eyes? I never know my autofocus. Very pretty eyes. Okay. Back down here. So pretty. Pretty. I don't know, good close-up view of him. He doesn't look like he has any masking flaws. What's that? Okay, that wipes off. A little bit right there, a little right there of overspray. I do not think it detracts from his look though. And you kind of have to be in a weird position to see it. But very, very pretty. Very pretty. Now he's going to be tippy. I'm just looking at him head on to see if he's... This does not touch the ground. So he's tail and 2 hooves. And that can make him tippy. I don't know, on my shelf I might put like a felt pad or something here just to give him a boost. Bubble wrap is not helping. But it looks pretty solid. Looks pretty solid. Alrighty, yeah, he's really pretty. I have to find out what tack they wear and make the pattern, huh? A little one right there. Very pretty. Okay, so there you go. That is Bandalero in matte. And that was my selection for the last release in 2024. That's nice. Let's see what this bonus is. I'll have to see if he can... Let's see if we can release the tape. I don't think that's going to happen. Oh, so this is that special stablemate that you get for Premiere, I think. Yes, it is. This is Enya. Let's see what Enya looks like. Oh. More tape. Oh, there we go. Lying down mare stablemate. So let's take a look at her. I would say that's a pregnant mare or a mare who just makes babies for a living. Wow. Okay, she's nice. And there's brown in there, so there's like 2 colors. There's black, brown, and white in the eyes. Very pretty face. Let's see if we can get a close-up of her. Maybe not. Very pretty. Laying down prego mare. A little bit of mold right there. The mold isn't entirely clean where they put the pieces together, or where she came out of the mold. Not entirely clean, but she's pretty. She'd be a shelf piece anyways, because you can't put tack on her, and I don't think I'd ever show a lying down stablemate. But she's really very pretty for a shelf piece, and she's going to be very stable. I don't think she's going to run away anywhere, huh? All right, that is Enya. Very nice. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.